year. This is what I've been doing for the past 2 years. And I actually made it out of a small business, and it's been a success. And yes, it's hard work, but there's times I do need a break because I'm a perfectionist, and I want to make people out there who's interested in my art and to be happy and, you know, be repeat customers. But here is these are the very first two, well, the very first doll that I made. Now, mind you, I didn't know what I was doing. I just went with the flow. And plus, I pray. I said, Lord, just give me insight in what I need to do because I'm doing this. But this is it took me 2 weeks to make her with all the sculpting, clay, everything. I had to, you know, work the foundation up, everything. So I liked it. I made it. I liked it. I added this little accessory, my little old necklace that I had for years, and I put it on her, and it actually, like, that little piece brings it out even more, but it's not part of the accessory. But however, I liked it so much that I made a set. So these currently sit in my living room, because my living room is like more like an African feel type of vibe. So I placed these in my living room, and you can tell how detailed I made them. And also, this is my latest creation. I call this one Warrior. I actually was on Spicy Sua Boys live. And I was promoted my work, and you talking about my inbox was blowing up because this is what everybody's trying to have. This is one of my favorites. Before I even showed it off, I showed it to my family. They were trying to get this from me, but I just made them one instead. So I love this. The fabric is like literally from Africa. I have a lot of African connections over there. So friends of mine, they send me scraps of fabric that I could work with to make my dolls, and I'm blessed either way. I make my own clay and everything, and you can tell the detail work. Like I said, I call her Warrior, and flared the dress up and made little ruffles in the back, and I added like these little I have these little decor stuffers in my vase, so I just snipped them off and just used it as a piece for my doll. And also, I have to make her a little sister, but she's middle. She is so cute. I love this one. I don't want to give her away, but I promise. This lady saw it, and she actually offered me money, so I don't want to give it away, but I said, you know what? I'm not gonna hold on. I could be missing out on my blessing. So she's actually sewed. I made her the little outfits are freehand. I don't have a pattern. I freehand it. It's just like when I cut, I put an image in my head how it's gonna be. You can tell this is hand stitched, literally hand stitched, and you talking about I work with a lot of pins, needles, everything like I'm working on a human. This is how it came out. You just look at the little Gailey. Ain't that cute? And also, I like the miniature ones, you guys. These are so cute. Here, let me put these down before I break it. They're super delicate, y'all. And these are like literally decors. These is not nothing to play with. But I made this. The little flap in the back. She's fully clothed on this one. And also right here, I made a tall one, and my sister took it. I don't mind my sister taking anything because she does a lot for me. So you can tell she's fully clothed, and the little Gailey right here. Oh, Jesus Christ. Ooh, these are also my favorite piece. This is like real Egyptian fabric. I got this fabric from a friend who was in Egypt, and you know, I you know, it's good to have good friends that thinks about you. I'm really blessed. I can say I'm really blessed, but you can got little hairs on it. I don't know where that's coming from, but yeah, how I handcrafted the dress. It's hemmed up with needle and thread, and I got the little scarf to hang out on here, and her clothes are very detailed. But I do sell these, but if you guys are interested in buying any or anything, I mean, like I said, I'm not promoting to sell, but I want to show you my work. And here's another one. You can remove her little shawl, or you could leave it on her. And like I said, it depends on what dolls. Some dolls take me up to a week or two. If I'm having, it depends what I'm doing too. Like the tall orange one right here. The tall one orange one right here. I took my time on her because I was dealing with a lot of, you know, fabric and stuff. And also the miniature. Here's another miniature. And now with this one, well, most of the ones that you did see, I painted on the top, which is like fine. I have the little belt, the little crease dress, and I have many more. Being made. I have like literally a whole case right here, that I'm making right there, if you see it. And I'm just like, I just love my work. I shouldn't even mess with this. I just love my work, and I thought I'd share that with you guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, because I'm about to go. It's hot up in this place. So you guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe my page, and comment below. Tell me what you think about my little statue dolls that I showcased to you. And feel free to send me an email or inbox me or inquiries about it. You can find my page of my dolls on Facebook. It's called Blessed Hand Creations KC. It's going to be below in the description box, so you guys can go check it out. I also have I just don't make these. I make you know, other things too, like memorial flowers, funeral spreads, all that other stuff. But you know, you never know. But you guys, thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.